There's a fish. There we go. Yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go. I think it's a nice one. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. We are here at a very old spot. I don't know if you can see, but the weeds have just been washed up here. This is pretty much unfishable. We're gonna give a few casts here, then we're gonna head our way down the old canal and see what we can get into. The fall bite should be on, man. We've had a lot of cold weather here, so I'm hoping they'll be kind of a bit more active. No medium heavy with me today. Unfortunately, I'm still waiting for that to be repaired. I should have just done it myself, but it's at the local shop. So I got the medium, a little chatterbait mini max on there, and my Texas rig eyes. We're gonna throw that around for a bit, then we might switch it up. Come along. I'm gonna post on the BFF fishing Facebook group. Oh, there's a fish that chased it. Oh, you know what? Follow up bait. Follow up bait. Follow up bait. Oh man. So I asked the question for Rye. Yeah. The guy was like, yeah, I got it. It's only got 9 guides though, so I added 3 more. There we go. Oh, came off. What? That's crazy. Did you see the size of it? Yeah, it didn't look that big, but it looked better than other times. Kind of, yeah. Oh, he's spinning around the rod. I guess I'll go for it again. Yep. Okay. Oh, what? He spat it again. How the f? Try to get a hook section up here, maybe? Maybe, but I still think that's crazy. Feels good. Maybe just I'm not letting him take it enough. See if, I mean, 3rd time's a charm. No way. Yep. There it is. No. I don't understand. Maybe it's, is it not a bass? That's what I'm wondering. I don't know. That's weird. What? I don't understand. I don't even have it text-posed. Like, it's just sitting there. Really disappointing. Like, that bothers me more. I don't even care about the size of it. Oh, yeah, no. Let me try just... Bass. Oh. There we go. Pull them up? Huh? You pull them up, like that. Yeah. Alright, well, I'll take. Oh. Finally fish here again. Got a little glitter in his mouth from me. The microplastics. Well, that's a good sign, I think. Yeah. I think. Yeah. There's fish here, there's fish elsewhere. I don't know, do you still want to make a few casts here? Or do you want to move? I wouldn't mind. I got nothing really. It's only 6 pound line. Huh. Stress. Alright. Well, I caught a fish, a little bit of recovery. Right. Works for me. Alright guys, we're gonna move on, check out a new spot. I really want a medium bait caster now. Yeah. That's fun. Well, firing the 3/8, quarter ounce, like it's a lot simpler than the medium heavy, I find. Yeah. And you got that whip.
I find the medium, like, it depends. Like, I know, like, Luz makes a lot of, like, medium heavies that are, like, oh, only rated for, like lower and not as heavy.
Okay,
like, yeah. Pounds. I'm like, oh, that could be good.
That's interesting, yeah. Alright, spot I'm sure you're all very familiar with seeing. Spot that hasn't been as kind to us as years past, but got the tanuki. Give it a try here. There's a fish. There we go.
Yeah?
Yeah. Ah, dink. Dinkery do. Oh, he came off. Oh, well, there we go. All right. Yeah. It's kind of interesting. It was on the Tanuki. I was working it, like you mentioned, we're just letting it hit the bottom and then twitching it back.
There's a bass just like nose, face, and grass. And then like I touched it with the rig. Well, maybe it was just trying to stay close to a rock. I don't know. It was very strange. What am I on? What is this? Stick? I caught a stick. Holy moly. Holy moly. Okay. And it's off. Whoa, whoa. Little dink, like, side swiped it. Wonder if I can. If only it was a bigger fish.
Oh, I got a fish on, I think, actually. Yeah. I don't know. No, I don't know. Oh, I do. Look at me. I'm sitting here like fiddling on my phone. No, I lost it. I'm fiddling on my phone, man. I'm trying to get Instagram content.
What the hell, bro? Was it decent?
No, I don't know. I don't know what it was.
Fighting, bro.
It wasn't really fighting, then it was fighting, and then I swear, man, sometimes with the light rod, it feels like it's fighting. It feels like the weeds are fighting.
Yeah. Sometimes you hit them and it's like a thumb.
Yeah, you're like.
Oh, there we go. Oh, a nice one. Oh, I fucked up. God damn it. That was a nice one too. Wow. Yeah, it really keeps them pinned. Get out of here. I'm going to move if you want to.
Oh, I had a thump there. Missed the bite on the chatterbait. That was definitely a bite.
Oh, there we go. There we go. I think it's a nice one. There we go. That's your fish.
That is my fish,
Oh, he yoked it. He wanted it.
Oh, man.
That's on the core tackle. Finesse. Tush.
Nice tush, the tush.
Oh, that's a big mouth. It's been a while since I've seen a decent one.
Not a bad one. That's not a bad one.
Alrighty. This is my spot now. Oh, I'm drooling.
It's so exciting, man. It's been a while.
And like the bait's like still pretty nice on there. Like I feel like once you get the soft plastic on there, it's decent. It's tempting though.
Do you take the Rapala pliers if they have dog poo on them?
Oh man, that's tempting.
I don't know. How does
water? I can just wash it off.
It's
not that bad. I might not take the Rapala.
Buddy, I don't know.
It's free, bro.
I don't know. The scissors are in there.
I don't want the scissors as much.
No, there's a lot of poo on the scissors. Are they bent?
They're not split ring.
They look bent almost.
I think they're supposed to be bent.
Oh, okay.
They're not split ring.
They're not split ring. You can just go buy pliers at Dollar General then. That's not worth touching. How does it happen? How does poo just get on? Like the dog's like, oh yeah. Oh my god. Oh, another adult moment on these backwater cricks. What would you do? Would you take the poo pliers if they were split ring?
Do you guys take the poo pliers?
HookinDinks specialty, 2 dink bass. Oh, there's a good bass.
I got it.
You got a good one. This is bad. If I get skunked again, it might be like, I might be cooked, bro. It might be time to end the season. Well, here, let's just do some casting from up here, maybe.
This is my spot.
Well, I can get over next to you there. Oh, I'll go down here.
Ooh, there's like wood over there, buddy. Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't. Oh.
Oh, nice.
Nice, there we go. Hey, buddy, you wanna... I might be able to do it.
Flip them up in. I don't want to get that in.
Oh, fuck off.
I don't know, man. You have to jump down.
Oh. You may be right.
Here.
Oh. Oh, we will catch this fish. There we go. Really green smallie. You know what's... Hey, bud.
What?
Oh, wow. My bait, same color.
Wow.
Look at that, guys. Guys?
Whoa.
Cannibals.
Well, yeah, we knew that.
Oh, but like... Oh, man. He's really... Caught a smallie. Finally, it's kind of what I wanted today.
Yeah. Oh. There's a little footpath made out here.
Oh, yeah. People definitely fish here. That's emasculating.
Good.
Why don't you cast over there?
I did.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh, he came off though.
Oh!
Yeah, he threw it.
Wow!
Alright, I think they're just straight ahead, bud.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to catch a fish on this hook.
Uh-oh, is it getting a little cooked there?
Yeah.
I've never really caught a fish pitching to wood. Do you? Like, I don't find that it's more... There's a lot of times when I'll pitch to wood and there's no fish.
Sometimes you really have to like work a piece of wood.
That's true, I guess, yeah. Which I don't do that, so that's why I don't catch fish.
That's true.
I don't work, so. It's fishing, not working, bud.
Okay. You might be wondering what I'm doing right now. I snagged a lure back here during the summer. And I'm thinking I can get it back now that it's the fall. Oh. 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 Oh, Jesus. Something in my ass crack. Oh. All right, guys. I've gotten it back.
Right on.
There's a firework jig. Now I gotta get back out.
This better be worth it. Oh. All right, we'll make it work. We're gonna have to make it. Ow! Oh! I thought it was bad. I didn't think it was that bad.
Oh, bro, that's the
Oh, that's the worst thorn I've ever been tricked by. Oh!
Oh, man.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
Really weedy.
Yeah, I didn't expect it.
Kind of dead weeds too, eh?
Yeah.
Don't know how I feel about that. Oh, there we go.
What?
Fish.
Whoa, what's that?
Oh, it's a bluegill.
Hey, the monkey's off the bag.
Finally. Finally. Caught a fish on the donkey tail. Here we go.
Like, I mean, like, try to see if we can get over there. Trying to see if we can.
Yeah, I don't need to be here. Well, folks, outro time. I caught a single sunfish, a little bluegill guy. That kind of sucked. Liam got some nice bass though, so there should be enough footage here for a video. Some shenanigans in this one. We did some bushwhacking, some exploring. Guys, my one piece of advice: if you're fishing right now in the fall, get in the woods, bushwhack through. Right now's your time to check out new water. There's spots you've probably never even thought of getting to. Now you can do it when the vegetation is down. So you know, hey, get out there, explore. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Tight lines.
I wanted it when I was, like, reeling it in, so you might be able to just, like, swim it there.
Oh, there we go. Oh, wow.
What?
It hit it and did not get a. I didn't get the bite, like the hook set. Like it just. Same thing as yours. It's like right around here though, eh? Right in the structure.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think that's a bass, is it? Same thing happened again. I got the bite, but it did not take it. It's pretty, like, if it's not a bass, I want to see what it is, because it's pretty good size for like a panfish or something. There we go. Hooked them. Oh, it is a bass, tiny bass. All right, wow. Yeah, that's really small. That's why we weren't getting the bites there, bud. On the donkey tail. Another dink on the donkey tail. He's cold. Yeah. Hmm.